Hey there! Welcome to my channel.
I'll be showing you how to crochet these super cute, fast, and easy hearts that I call pocket hearts. You can use any yarn and any hook size to make these. However, the thicker the yarn and the bigger the hook size, the larger your heart will be. Starting with your yarn, we're going to form a magic ring. Now, if you don't know how to do a magic ring, I do have a tutorial with a slower version on my channel, which I've linked for you below. From your magic ring, we're going to go ahead and chain two. Then working into the magic ring, we're going to place 3 treble stitches. These are American trebles, so you'll yarn over twice before going into the ring. 1, 2, now into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That's your first treble done. We need 2 more of those. Sometimes the yarn wants to separate because it's in 4 pieces, so just notice that that's sometimes what will happen. You just have to be patient and learn. All right, that's 3. Now we're going to do a double crochet, which is just a yarn over once, and you'll be doing 3 of the double crochet stitches into the ring. All right, that's 1. So yarn over once into the ring, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over into the ring, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, now we chain 1, and now we're going to put another treble into the ring. So yarn over twice, and into the ring, and this will form the bottom point of the heart. And then you'll chain 1. Now we're going to be doing double crochet stitches back into the ring. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now that's the first one. You need 2 more. This is the bottom part of the heart that we're working on, working back up towards the top of the heart. So now we're almost done with the third double crochet, and then we'll be placing 3 more trebles back into the ring. So yarn over twice into the ring, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Don't be afraid to readjust your grip. Sometimes it's necessary. All right, yarn over twice into the ring, pull through, and now we have our last treble. And if you're running out of room, you can pull your stitches closer together around the ring, or if you have too much room, then pull the tail tighter. All right. And now we're going to chain two. 1, 2. All right, we're going to take our tail on the back end and we're going to slide it tighter, not too tight, but we're going to do a slip stitch through the ring and pull it through in our final stitch. And now we're going to pull on our tail, pull everything really tight. You pull on your tail really tight. You pull on the other yarn. Other side of the yarn is tight, really tight, and then you do a slip stitch that you don't finish, and then you clip it, and then as you pull down, you hold on to that knot and it tightens it really tight. Now you might still have a little bit of an opening, so you pull on your tail that's still there and pull it tight. Now you're all finished. So now you want to weave in your ends, and you'll want to take a yarn needle and weave it in and out. Doesn't have to be exact. And then you just take it and you pinch the very end of the yarn and push it through the eye. It does have a large eye. This is a quick way to weave in both ends. And you slip in the needle first. No need to thread that yarn first and have longer ends. This is a repeat on the other side. The choice of the needle is important with this method. Not all yarn needles are created equal. Some have eyes that are too small and it's too hard to get the yarn in easily, and some are much wider and won't pull through the stitches easily. All of my supplies are found in the description. So now you'll cut off the ends and your heart is complete.
Thank you for watching, and please comment about where you're from this world. And subscribe for new videos. Most importantly, have a great day. Don't forget to smile.